Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If you are facing unarc.dll error code 11, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end, follow my step to fix the problem. First, when you are facing this problem, then go to the search bar and search here the advanced system setting. Click on this. Now in the performance section, click on the setting. Now click on the advanced and click on the change. Now uncheck the automatically manage paging file size. Untick this and select the drive. I am selecting D and click on the custom size and the maximum size should be 300 MB and then set and OK, then OK. After doing this step, check the problem. If the problem is persist, then next is press window plus R button simultaneous and type here percent temp and then percent. Press enter and control A select all and shift plus delete all the file. After doing this, again check the problem. If the problem is persist, then next is go to the search bar and search here cmd and click on the run as administrator and type here sfc space forward slash scan now and then press enter. After doing this step, restart your system and your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.